Hey everyone, Wahl educator Nieves Almaraz here, also known as How to Fade Hair, and co-creator of Wahl's Pop Up Academy. October 19, 2020, Rapid City, South Dakota, Black Hills Barbershop is the location of our next Wahl Pop Up Academy. This is a hands-on class. Learn fading techniques, learn tapering techniques with Wahl's detachable clipper, the 5-star Wahl Mentor. The Wahl Pop Up Academy is a 6-hour hands-on training that comes with 2 mannequin heads with the 5-star Mentor with 4 detachable blades, the cordless detailer Ally, and Wahl 1919 product. Quarantine is over, we're ready to get our education back on track. This is Wahl country. Live the fade, fade the live. Sign up for our next Wahl Pop Up Academy. We'll see you there. Visit wahlpro.com.